Welcome to the Crag. This is our first ever episode. I'm currently sitting on the hill of Alyosha in the city of Plovdiv. In Alyosha we have the Upper Crag and Lower Crag. Currently the Lower Crag is in the online guidebook for Bulgaria, however the Upper Crag is not. So we've started the walking for Alyosha. If you continue up left, you see an old military building. Directly behind is Alyosha Slab. Lower Crag has 4 climbs, all relatively easy slab climbs. Crags are easily accessible from the road, and we also have a single multi-pitch that continues from the bottom crag. Alyosha Slab is where the easier routes are situated. If you continue up right, you see a slight incline. Follow that path, you'll arrive at a balcony. On the balcony you can oversee the entire city of Plovdiv. You're going to take the first left, and you're going to follow the steep path, which is perfect for warming up your legs. As you continue up, you can see the beautiful vegetation, and finally you'll see the crag comes into view. On the left hand side, you can see 2 slightly overhanging routes. We believe the grades to be anywhere between 7A and 7C+. On the right hand side of this crag, you can see a small boulder, and we believe there's a 6A+ bouldering problem there. As you look at the boulder, there's a single bolt at the top if you want to try it, or it's simply too highball for a bouldering ascent. Also, landings on a slight incline, so we do recommend multiple bouldering mats as well. Not many people know about the Upper Crag in Alyosha, and I think it's a secret gem. With the multi-pitch in the Lower Crag, it's straightforward, however for the second pitch the bolting is quite sparse. One of the things I like most about Alyosha is there's massive ledges, so if you're not too sure about clipping, you can get a good stance with a no hands rest. So good news with Alyosha is it's slap bang the city of Plovdiv, which means that within a 5-minute walk you've got access to a really big shopping centre. So you have toilets, fresh food, and even closer there's a nice sandwich shop. So my personal opinion of Alyosha is it's a very nice crag. It's situated in the city centre, it's easy access, it's perfect for beginners who want to learn to belay and take friends and family. However, if you're an experienced climber, you'll get bored of this crag very quickly. Thanks very much for watching. Did you like the crag? Is there anything else we failed to cover? Comment below. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.